Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to create multiple drop-down menu box or combo box in your P-level PDF form using Foxit PDF Editor. Now say form option, and here you will find this drop-down menu box list. Click here. Now drag your mouse cursor, select your box area. Now click right button for the mouse cursor and select properties dialog box. And properties dialog box, firstly go option menu, already selected option, and enter here your item value, and I will add here like country list, see this France, and this is below now add India, USA, Germany, England, and so on. Now this is below now adding, and you can sort all of them by alphabet number. Now select appearance option. Here you can change border color, border thickness, and this text color you can change, and see this. I will say this text color, make it black. And text font size you can make it 14, 18, make it 12, or you can remain it auto. And general option, here you can change the combo box name, and from field visible read only and required, and so on. Now select close and check this box, and see this box now working. And similarly you can create another combo box, and also you can make these two box same size, and see this, and two of this you can align horizontally. Yeah, this is a combo box now ready. Yeah, and finally select this file option, save or save as a fillable PDF form. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment.